how to drive a zero-turn lawnmower if you don't know how. The handles. There's your other handle. Look. That's left. That's right. Left. Alright. Watch this. This is Kubota, sorry. That's park brake. That's how you take park brake off. Put it back on. Deck up. If you can't see, deck down. Well, I have it in gear. Gear. Turn blades on. Well, you gotta have it up, but there's your bunny rabbit thing. Turns you all the way up. Then here's idle. That's how you idle it with gear. Know what height you want your deck on. Temperature gauge, which this is the diesel, so that's the fuel gauge. Tells you. I'll show you the outside, then I'll start it up once and let y'all watch the black smoke roll out of this. And big Kubota, zero turn. We own big mowing business, but there it goes. Ready, start it up. Watch the smoke roll. Show you guys the engine. Hold on. Watch this, guys. I'm gonna show you black smoke rolling this. Hello. Sexy, ain't it? Hope you guys like. Oh, and this has two tanks. One right there and one right there. And the roll bar. I forgot about that. Better not forget. Thank you guys. See you next video.